When Henry Ford died in 1947, his family didn't just inherit an empire. They opened a vault and found a fortune. Inside the Ford Motor Company's private reserves lay nearly $700 million in cash, untouched by banks or investors. It was a revelation that stunned even the business world. Ford had built one of the largest industrial empires in history, and he had done it without borrowing a single dime. While other automakers leaned on Wall Street, Ford kept his company private, funding everything internally, from the Model T assembly lines to the massive River Rouge plant that became the beating heart of American manufacturing. He refused to take loans, issue stock, or surrender control. Banks offered influence. Ford preferred independence. His logic was simple, but radical. If you owe the bank $100, that's your problem. If you owe the bank $100 million, that's theirs. He wanted no part of either. By the 1920s, Ford Motor Company had become a self-contained economic ecosystem, smelting its own steel, producing its own glass, even generating its own electricity. The money that flowed in from every Model T sale didn't leave the company. It fueled the next invention, the next plant, the next experiment. And it worked. When the Great Depression crushed competitors drowning in debt, Ford's privately funded machine kept turning. He could slow production, pay workers, and wait out the storm, all without a single bank call. So when his heirs discovered hundreds of millions in cash sealed inside the company's vault, it wasn't greed. It was the ultimate proof of Ford's obsession with control, and his defiance of the financial world that once mocked him. In an age when corporations danced to Wall Street's tune, Ford marched to his own rhythm, the sound of pistons, progress, and absolute independence. He didn't just build cars. He built a new kind of power, one that didn't need permission. Would you have trusted your instincts over every banker in America and been bold enough to fund the future from your own pocket?